What up guys, Mr. Silva here with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to properly install a decal. For the people first time watching my videos, I make videos about how to make vinyl decals and the different ways to make money with vinyl decals. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do it now, and don't forget to hit the bell to get all notifications. Okay, let's get started. These decals or stickers can be applied to any non-porous, flat to slightly curved surface, such as windows, walls, laptops, desktops, cars, trucks, trailers, jet skis, boats, motorcycles, lockers, helmets, skateboards, snowboards, mailboxes, and so forth. The very first thing you have to do before installing or applying your decal is to clean the surface where you're going to apply it. The surface should be dust-free and dry. Today I'm going to apply a Dodge Ram decal. The vinyl I'm using is Oracle 651, and you just need a piece of plastic such a credit card or an ID card to apply your decal. As I mentioned before, the first step is to clean the surface, which I already did, so I'm gonna skip that step. This is the front of the decal, where you can see the design. This is the back of the decal, which have a backing paper. I'm going to install the decal around this area, which is clean and dust free. So the decal has 3 layers: the transfer tape on top, the vinyl decal design in the middle, and the backing paper at the bottom. The next thing we gotta do is remove the backing paper from the decal. The right way to do it is to place the decal facing down so the backing paper is on top, and we have to carefully remove the backing paper from the decal, making sure that the vinyl is not sticking to the backing paper anymore. Now we only have the decal and the transfer tape ready to apply. When we apply it, we have to make sure to do it as flat as possible and position it as we desire, because once we place it on the surface, there's no way back, since these are permanent decals. Once we place it, we have to gently rub with the piece of plastic, in this case with the card. Make sure there's not air bubbles between the transfer tape and the decal. Okay, so now we have the decal already applied to the surface, but the decal still has the transfer tape on top of it. And this is the tricky part. We have to remove the transfer tape from the decal. It's a little tricky because the vinyl sticks to the transfer tape, especially on complex designs, when the small parts of the vinyl sticks to the transfer tape. And if you're not careful, you can ruin the whole decal. So when you're pulling the transfer tape and you see that part of the decal is sticking to it, just put the transfer tape back and rub it a little bit and try to pull it again. Once you fully remove the transfer tape, you can gently rub with the non-sticky part of the transfer tape. Once you apply the decal, you have to let it dry at least 24 hours. For example, if you apply the decal to a car bumper or a car window, you can't wash the car until next day. Now I'm going to apply another decal. This is a Hulk fist decal. Really cool. I'm gonna do this quicker. Same process. Carefully remove the backing paper. Again, this is the front of the decal and this is the backing paper. Now place the decal to the desired spot and gently rub it with the credit card. Now carefully remove the transfer tape. And voila! We successfully installed 2 decals today. If you have any question, leave it on the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button now and hit the bell. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.